Testing, 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 testing. I am a content creator. Not only do I make art, but apparently I also bake. So we're gonna make some muffins because I'm bored and I want to feed my camera guy. So let's get into it. So I don't even know how to exactly start. We just put the ingredients here. I guess melting the butter is the first step to do here. I think. I didn't even read what the instructions. Where are they? Eggs and sugar. Beat them. Beat the eggs. Okay. I have my fists up. A little bit up. I'm up. Yeah. So eggs. Eggs. Let's get them eggs. Oh God. Let's see if I can get these. First try. First try. Oh fuck. Now that's an epic gamer moment. Number two. Oh yeah. Oh jeez. Oops. Yeah, boy. What the fuck's the next step? Oh fuck. How much sugar was it? I hope to God that's enough sugar. Because if not, I'm not going to the store. No. Measurements. I didn't pick the measurements up here. I am nothing but a fool. So I should a fucking bowl? No. We need a bowl. Pink. I think it's the oh God. It's the perfect choice. I can't get it out. I can't, it's stuck, I can't. I got it. Everything's fine. We got the bowl. We're beat the eggs and sugar, which I think is the most basic step out of every baking thing, I hope. Let's put egg. Oh, that was awful. Yeah, I wouldn't drink that. So it's two deciliters of sugar. That looks like snow. It looks like snow.
It looks like cocaine.
You know what? You're right. Should we? I think I should test it. Number uno, right? For one. Yeah, that looks like cocaine. But also it looks like snow. So my theory is that snow is cocaine. So I'm very excited for this winter. And two. There's only 3 steps. It's 1, 2, and 3. There's only 3 steps, and I'm kind of concerned the lack of information. But you know, that's fine. So I think we have to mix the rooney. Mix. Beat them up first before we add the melted butter. I think we should probably melt the butter now, which is okay. Bowl number 2. Butter. Wait, how much butter was it? Oh God. What? 100 grams? 100 grams. This is for kids. I mean a bigger boy. Ah! Oh God. So we have to. These are not drugs. We have to measure. Oh jeez. We have to measure 100 grams of butter. I haven't used this in forever. How do I? This button. Oh jeez. Hey guys, I know what I'm doing. I did it. We have the tour. What the fuck is this coating? What is it? Ew. 100 grams. Oh, what? 100 grams. So I'm just gonna. Oh, it's so soft. Ooh, it's so soft. Like me. Softinen. Oh Jesus. Let's scoop. Let's see how much that is. 64. Super Mario 64. 82. Wow, I actually almost cut the perfect slice. Okay. I am a god. It's 100. It's 103 grams. I nailed it. I am the cooking. This is not cooking. I'm a baking master. I know what I'm doing. Oh yeah. You gotta slam this bad boy into the microwave. I think it's just 1 minute. Cool. So so we have the cocaine and the egg. This looks gross, but also it will be delicious. So we have to mix them up until it's like fluffed. So where are the things? Oh god, everything's everywhere. So we just got boink. Oh shit. And that's really, I should not abuse it. It's the only mixer we have. Let's just beat these up. Let's kill the eggs. Butter time. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Wow, it is liquid. It looks like piss. Perfect consistency. Wait, I know it has to cool down. I know we have to mix those first. So let's do that. Let's do some ASMR. This calls me so well. Oh, I love ASMR. This is gonna take like 10 minutes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Wow, I can't hear anything. That was actually surprisingly quick. Wow, okay. I think it's supposed to be more fluffy. It looks like milk. Even it has 0 milk, but it looks like milk right now. I think I have to mix it more.
Round 2. Fight!
It's crunchy. It's real crunchy, but I think that's good. I should probably mix. I'm gonna mix it with a knife. Butter. Safety first. Mix your butter with a knife. Then add the butter and milk. The milk. We should add the milk. How much milk do we need? Milk? This is the classic Finnish milk. We don't have them in plastic bottle things because we care about the environment. Finland is cool. So it's only one. I hope I'm doing this right. I didn't recheck. Ooh, let's hope it's not too hot, because then it'll be hot. Okay, mix, mix, mix! Ah! Wow, that looks like liquid. It's very, now it's definitely milk now. That's 100% milk. Okay, what is the next step? I should probably put these in the fridge. Go in here, shove it in here. Next step. There is batter on my pants, and on my phone, and on my Markiplier. Step 2. Mix the dry ingredients with each other and add to the mix. Okay, another bowl. We have those. Let's get a medium boy. A medium boy shall be good. There are so many bowls. We don't need this many bowls. Medium boy. We get the medium boy.
Can we take a break? My arms are dying.
Yeah. Everything is fine. Everything is so fine. I don't know how all of this happened. Welcome back. Nothing to see here. Absolutely nothing happened. I mixed all the dry ingredients. There's little chunks of the chocolate cocoa powder whatsoever. But you know what? Who cares? I don't think I'll die from this unless I eat nothing but this for the next 4 years of my life. Anyway, so we're gonna mix this bad boy here. I don't know how this mixing thing will work. Let's just a little bit here. And I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go. It looks like coffee or chocolate milk. Yum yum. Yes. More. We're getting there. I just spilled more to the counter. I know what I'm doing. It looks delicious. More. I think that's probably half. It smells like chocolate milk. Chalky milk. Oh. Muffins, here we come. No, it's not done yet. Oh wait, there's more. The bottom's not mixed. Oh well, it's okay. It's going to the mixer. It's going to the mixer. I'm breathing cocoa air. It's in the air. Love is in the air. Muffins are in the air. Uh-oh. It's slowing down. Wow. That is, holy shit. That is muffins. I've done the muffins. Okay. I think we should clean first before anything else. Ta-da. Last spoonful. You can't see it.
That was lame.
Epic. We did it. I am God. I have baked the greatest muffins of all time. Yes, this is my sword. I will attack everyone. Or better, it's gone. We're gonna eat this now. Uh-oh. Stinky. It is poo-poo. Clean it. Clean it. Clean it.
I cleaned it.
It has been removed.
Oh fuck. It's spreading.
It's spreading. So we had to pop these bad boys. Look at these, but some fancy ones. Also, ignore that's nothing. Ignore that. I'm gonna eat that actually. It's very good. It's really good. It's not poo poo. So we're gonna put it. Why is that on? Okay. 200 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah, the light doesn't work. Oh, 200. Vittu väärä. Fuck, wrong one. It's 200 degrees. 200 degrees. So we have to wait until this bar is like full, then it's done, and then we pop the bad boys in, and then we eat. Epic. Attention. We have found more. We must hide the evidence. It's that. It's more. No.
You left some.
No, where? Oh fuck. No. No, it's nothing.
It's fine.
Everything. Oh fuck. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. The oven is ready. You can't see it because the lights are broken again. So we're gonna pop those bad boys in. Who cares about safety? Oh, it's warm. Okay, it's fine. I think that's fine. That's fine. It's okay. Yes. Fuck, timer. 12 minutes. I can't open my phone. We have the timer. Let's go watch YouTube.
Yes.
Ring a ding ding, the bell rang, the muffins are ready. Oh my fucking god. Oh! Oh!
Hallelujah.
Oh my god. Ow, 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 fuck, ow. Ow! I mean, it's done. They're beautiful. They're so tall. They're tall boys. What a big circle.
The cameras.
Oh no! Voila! Now we have to wait for an hour for these to cool down so we can actually eat them. But we did it! They're muffins! They look like muffins! I guess we're just gonna go back to watching Minecraft and come back once these are cooled down. Update. These are actually still raw. Especially, look at this bad boy. Look, I don't think that's supposed to jig-jaggle. I think these are fine. Hold on, let me test. Hold on, let me test these bad boys. Those are fine. So I'm gonna put those thick boys, those taller ones, back for like 5 minutes. But take these bad boys. Let me just test. You know what? I'm just gonna test all of them. Just I think all of these are raw. That's fine. That's fine. Fito. Okay, yeah, those tall ones. They're still raw. Yes, you can.
It's fucking raw.
It's fucking raw. We're gonna take these smaller ones to the plate. I'm so scared. I'm gonna burn myself. But it's okay. Perfectly cut out screams. Intense muffin making. Oh god, there's 2 papers!
Oh.
And this one, double protection. It always works. No! Nothing is going. Everything was fine 5 minutes ago. These are fine. This is just gonna chill here. Let's put these bad boys back in. Let's turn the oven back on. Let's keep it that. Let's put these back in for like 5. Oh, because I think they're too tall, so they didn't cook right. It's just happened. Yeah. Second try. Ooh, they look better. Ooh, they look big. It's time to test. It's okay.
It's
They're
fine.
fine. They're really big. It's fine. Whoop, that's fine. Whoop, that's fine. Whoop. Ew. They're still kind of raw, but you know, let's pretend they're mud cake. So it'll pass. But yeah, we made muffins. Ow, the plate is hot. We made muffins today. We're gonna eat them later. Just, ow, ow, ow. They're hot. I think this is a success. We're gonna eat all of these by ourselves and get some sort of sugar rush and die. So thank you for watching. I'm surprised we didn't burn the house. Anyway, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr. I post art. Nothing like this. I don't post anything like this. I only make art. Thank you. I'm gonna throw this in the trash. I'm gonna eat one. It's a beautiful boy. I'm gonna taste test. It's hot. It's perfect.